Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
So in this video, I will teach you how you can create a landing page on Beehiiv. So here you have different options. You can see that here we will look for design. Here you can see design. Simply click on that. Now here in design you have this website option, website builder and news builder. So basically you can access the landing page in this website builder. So simply click on that. Now here you can see that we have these styles here where you can do all the statics and this layout and these settings here. Here you can see all these things. So in this video I will teach you how you can create a cool static landing page. So here you can also see an example site if you want to. Now if you click this on, when you will turn this example site on, then here you can see example how your landing page should look like. Now here you can see the example and you can get inspo from that. Here you can see how it looks. So here now turn that off and let's try to create one for ourselves. So now here in setting you have different options where you can write here the main title, meta description as well for the page. So now write here the main title. Here I have written the main title. You can also write here meta description if you want to, then you can simply save that from here. Now you can see that has been saved here. Now here this is how the page looks. Here I have added the logo and the marketing title. You can do that as well. Now here you have these options where you can adjust the aesthetics. Here you have this style where you can adjust all the aesthetics about the color, type, text, format and all these things. Let's first go to the layout, then I will teach you about the aesthetic styles. So in the layout you have these 5 options. So let's first talk about this global navigation layout. So simply click on that. Here you will have this navigation menu option. You can turn that on or you can turn that off. So if you are turning that option on, then you must have to add here the menu item, what item should be included in the menu. So here you have to make a list of that, then after that you can simply create from there here. And here you have this add categories group where you can add different categories group. So here you need to add content tags first, so you can add content tags here if you want to. So now they have bring us to the content tags where you can add tags by clicking on this create content tags. Now here you have to write the name and the description about the content, then you can save that. And here if we scroll down, here you have this standalone page where you can add an internal page to the website that do not live in your navigation bar. You can do that by here simply clicking add pages. You can add here pages. For that you can also upload here any file and then they will require you to add a website. You can select here the website. Here you have these 2 options. You can choose anyone. And then you have to write the title. Then here you have to write the slug, SEO title and the SEO description. Here then you have this option no indexing enabled. You can enable that if you want to. And that's how you can add these pages. Here you can also add dropped internal or external pages by simply clicking on add page. Now they will ask you whether you want to add an internal page or external page. You can choose any. So let's go with internal page. Then here simply you have to follow the process that we followed for the previous pages, and that's how you can edit that. And that was it about this global navigation layout. Now move back and here we have this hero section. Here you can change the page theme. So here now click on styles. Here you have different styles. Now here in the first you have this hero section pattern where you can select a pattern. If you want a news type or headliner type, so you can select any. Now here I have chosen the headline pattern. I will go with that. You can adjust here. Now you will see the changes here in the website that will turn to a headline. Now you can see that this has been turned into a headline. You can change that anytime if you want to. Now here you can change background color. So here you have different options. Let's go with less white and more black. Here you can select any color that you want to. That will appear after some time. Here you also have this heading color. You can also change that. Let's change that to blue maybe. Now here you can see that the background color has been changed and this heading color has also changed. And here you can also see this archive color change. And you can also change your body color if you want to. You can choose here white maybe or some other colors. And here you can also change the border color. So let's go with a black one here maybe. Now here just apply and you will see the changes here as well. And now here you have this sign up widget. You can see that. Here you can style that. Now here you can see a button text subscribe. You can change text to whatever text you want. Then you have this placeholder text. You can write here your email, and you can change here the background to, like, if you want to change the background to, maybe here I want to change the background to some other color, like if you want to change it to maybe white. And here you can also change the border, and you can change the font family, and here you have different fonts. Now let's move back. Here you have this post section where you can see all about these posts. Now here you will have this feature post option where you can feature any your previously made post. So simply click on select a post. Here you can see all your posts that you have created previously. So select whatever you want to feature. Featuring a post basically has a lot of impact on your newsletter. You must add here as many as you want. Minimum 5 will be best here. Here you can also enable latest post if you want to. You can also categorize your post into different things. And here you also have this postcard where you can choose different styles. Here now you can see that you have this radius, title, color, and all these things. And similarly you have this archive option here. Now let's come to style. That was all about the layout, how you can do that.
Now here in this style you have first this logo and identity.
Now let's go to that. Here in logo you can see that we have published our logo, so you can see here the logo as well. So if you have not, simply click on publish settings. Here in the publish settings you can see here your publish name, your publish one line description, and publish logo. Here you can also add any default thumbnail, and here you can also tag publishers and all these things. Next you have this here emails. Now here use a post author name as sender. You can do that or you can change that. So here if you want to use post author's name as sender, you can enable that, and if you don't want, then you can disable, and you can write here a name, a specific name that you want to be used as your sender. And here you can also reply to emails.
Now here you can add an email where all the replies will go, and here you can do that.
Here you have this content import.
Now here the best thing I find is that you can import content from your other newsletter apps, like here you can see Substack, MailChimp, Ghost, WordPress, whatever you have used. You can import content from that, and here after that you have to paste here the URL that you use for publishing your newsletter on that website. Here you have to paste that, and after that you can import the content.
Here you have this subscriber import where you can import different subscribers. You can import subscriber. Then you have this export data where you can export data. Here you can export all basic subscriber, and here you have export subscriber full version. Here you have this full version. You can use all these according to your own note. Then here you have this export post where you can export all posts as well.
And here you can also access the domain, and you can access the vhooks. You can start with that by simply clicking on get start, and here you also see your payment accounts. That was all about logo and identity.
Now here you have this global colors. Here you can select the primary and the primary font color as well. So here now let's select the primary color to black. And here you can also select your primary font color if you want to. Then you can select here secondary color, secondary font color. So now let's select secondary color here to blue. As well we can see that primary color has been changed to the subscriber and login to black. I think it look better in the blue, so let's change that to red because it look much nicer in the red. And login will be okay to be in blue maybe. And similarly you can change here the font typing color as well. So here you have this function where you can change the background, border, and link color. So here now let's change the background to maybe, and here you can change the border color to black, and you can change the link color here as well if you want to.
Here you also have this typography for the font. Here you can change your heading style, you can change your global body style, and you can change your global button styles. Even with this one click you can change it into whatever style you want. Here you can see that I have changed my main headings font style. You can see that.
Here you have this radius and shadow option, so when you will click on that,
Now here you will have to select the border radius. You can select here the border radius. The more round you want, you can select more here. You can select here 2XL, 3XL if you want a round. If you want square, then select lesser small. And here you can also select any shadow if you want. I don't want that, so I will select none here.
And that was all about how you can play with the border here.
Now let's talk about global navigation. Now here you can see this top navigation bar where you can select a template and you can select the background and color. Here you can see all the templates. Here you have 6 templates. So let's do the changes for first template. Here you have to select the border color. So I'm going with red. Then you can also select here the text color as well. So you can see that it will appear after some time. You can see the changes here. Now here you can see that our top navigation bar has been changed to red.
Here now come to this navigation button. We can see the buttons here. I have decided here the blue color, so here you can change that to pink, green maybe. So here let's go with green. And you can change the text color and border color as well.
Here you can also change the border color and text color if you want to, but I will not go in that much detail. So here you can see that subscriber button color has been changed. You can see that now their background has turned to green. Now let's go to subscriber widget.
Here you can see generally you can select templates. Here you have given different templates. You can select one and then you can select the format, what format you want. You can change the format and you can also add here any format from Google if you want any specific format, or if you have any signature format you can use that here. Body color, you can adjust the body color and border color as well. Similarly you can also enable here email icon if you want to.
Now let's come to button. Here in button you can see the text written here subscribe.
Here for Instagram you have this button here called follow, so you can change that to follow. For example, if you're making a landing page for Instagram, you can write here follow, and here you can also change that. Now let's change that to red maybe, and here you can see that now it's written here follow. And here you can also change the text color if you want here blue text or black. Let's go with black text here, so you can do that. Now you can see the change after some time. Now here in the placeholder I have written my email here, so let me copy that to show you how it looks before without any email. Now let's go here, and here you can see enter your email, and here you can see this follow button. Here I have applied the background. Now let's again apply it. Maybe they have some issue. And text color. Now here you can see enter your email. So for writing email you can come to this placeholder, and here you can enter your email, whatever your email is. So here I have written my email, and now after some time you will see here, and in the top you can see here your email. Here now you can see the border color and the text color that we have been applied here. Now if we move up, now here you will see your email after some time, so let's wait for some time here. Now here you can see that our email has been written here. Here you can see file claims our email, and here in the top you can also see our email here, so you can see all these things. Now let's move back. Now after that, here you have this option called post style, so simply click on that. Now here you can choose the post background and text color for your post, and here you have this home page header style where you can change your appearance. You can change that to news, headline, whatever style you want. Now here you have this postcard, and you can choose background color here. So now let's move the background color to maybe black. You can also select the radius for the border. If you want it narrow or wide, you can do that. Here you can make it narrow by selecting here small, and you can make it wide by selecting here large. And here now you have this content tag where you can allow that, and you can allow here content tags if you want to. And here you also have this inside where you can also enable that like and comment, and time field you can enable that or you can disable that. Similarly, here you have this primary pages. You can also enable or disable that, and the text and author. Here you can see the author. You can also change the author color to maybe white if you want to. You can do that. And here you can also change the formats and titles of these things are viable. You can do that.
Now here the last one is global footer, so simply click on that.
Here you have this bottom footer bar where you can select the color for your bottom footer bar. So let's change that to some lighter color maybe. Here you can change any color that suits you. Here you have this external page where you can change the color for external pages as well. So let's change the color to white for external pages. You can do that, and you can also change here the underline color for these pages as well. Now here you have this option. Here you can see the home page, and you can see here the sign up page. Now here you can see the sign up page here, and similarly you can see here the upgrade page, and similarly you can see here custom page as well. Here you can add extended internal pages for setting these custom pages. Now here you can also customize the sign up page. Here you can see some features for the sign up page, how you can customize the sign up page. Here you can see the sign up page. Here you have this
testimonial section.
here you can generally you can enable that if you want to, or you can disable that. Only this option is available here.
And now here you also have this option called featured post section, and here you can also enable general information or not.
And here this is a computer view. Now if you want to see the mobile view, how it will look in the mobile, you can see that how it will look in the mobile. Here you have this follow page. You can also write here subscribe or whatever you want to write here. Now let's see the home page, and let's see how the home page will look in the mobile. Here you can see how the home page will look in the mobile. Here you can see all about the home page, and similarly you can turn that into the desktop view as well. So here you can see how it will look in the desktop, and from here you can publish the home page. You can see that they are publishing, and you can see that it's published. Now let's move to the sign up page. Now if you want to publish my sign up page, so here from that you can publish your sign up page. Simply click on sign up, publish. You can see that they are publishing our sign up page, and it is published. You can see that. And now here we are on the home page. Here you can see in the recent post, here you can see your home page. From here you can copy the link as well for the home page, and you can copy the link as well for the sign up page. And that was all about how you can create a landing pages on the Beehiiv.
If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.